This is the elevator at some building that I don't know the address of at Carnegie Mellon University in Oakland, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This was originally a 1980s Otis elevator. Most likely it was Series 1 fixtures, but sadly was modernized in the 2000s by Lynn's Elevator Service with Monitor PC fixtures. Going on to the basement. Oh, creaky elevator. Then we're gonna go down. Here's the basement. We'll go to 3. And that's locked. 2. That's also locked. Basement and lobby, that's it. 88 phone, here's your showcase, key switches for operation. Very basic cab. Go back to the lobby, back to the original ceiling panels. 2 floors out of 4 floors, that's it. How close this one's gonna get.